Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. ILUS 0061. It did dip to 005s. I did buy in $1,000 worth here at 0061. Even alerted it in the premium Discord. Let me pull that out real quick. For those of you who want to join the premium Discord, definitely do so at the beginning of the month. The beginning of the July is definitely the best time to join. Do not join now because then you're gonna get charged twice in less than a week. So I know some people have made that mistake. Don't make that mistake. But as you can see here very clearly, we did. Well, I don't know if they bought in, but I alerted, hey, $1,000 worth here at 0061. So I am more than happy to sit here, hold for that next run up. We knew it was going to come down to 005s again. So as long as we're buying anywhere near there, it's time to get in, hold for that next swing. I'm going to mention this again. This is a swing traders market, day traders market. This is what the OTC has been, and it will continue to be this way. Anyone waiting for that 100,000% run, 20,000% run is still living back in 2020, 2021. As of right now, and I mentioned this in one of my videos, the only people that are going to be making money as this continues trending to the downside are the people that position themselves at previous bottoms. They buy in, they swing trade it to the upside, it goes up to double zero or whatever, double zero nine, 0.12 again, maybe. It's going to come back up. We're going to make money again. Longs are going to continue to accumulate as it comes down lower and lower and lower, essentially just getting destroyed. So, you know, if you want to make money with Ilus, if and you're not swing trading it, I would say might as well, right? Might as well make some money off of it as it continues this trend that it's been in since forever. Like one cannot deny uh, the data here. We just continue to go down lower, and we adapted. I get that they don't want to please people like me, but ultimately we just adapted and we wait and we're patient. It comes down, we buy it, it runs up, we sell it. Longs they continue to hold the bag as it goes down lower and lower. That's unfortunately how it is. Um, so and we know they have they you know what I hate about Eyeless before I let you guys go? They talk about dropping PRs, they have acquisitions coming, and it takes them forever to release them. So and whether they like it or not, whether they like it or not, day traders, swing traders, they're going to adapt. So whether they're dropping very few PRs or many PRs or whatever, whether they communicate or not only are we here to stay, but it's also what causes the share price to move, people piling on anyways. So that liquidity is important, especially in the OTC. But other than that, as long as you're positioning yourself near a bottom, we're never going to time the bottom perfectly. That would be we'd be billionaires, right? If we could just time the bottom every single time. But the best thing we can do is buy as close as possible, hold the position. It'll drop a PR, it'll go up, and the cycle will repeat itself. I really do hope, though, for the sake of longs, that Ilis finds a way to turn it around here because if not, we're going to 002s. And I know some people are going to see that as a buying opportunity, but that's not a good thing when a stock is in a downtrend and just continues to go lower. If this thing does uplist, like I mentioned previously, if it uplists and it doesn't have any strength or buying pressure upon uplist, it's just going to be more fuel to the downside ultimately, and it just follows that Mullen pattern. So I know I'm sounding a lot more bearish right now because that PR that video PR that they came out with, that was pretty bad. Like you can't, a CEO basically telling you like, yeah, we're not going to drop PRs. No, bigger companies don't drop PRs like consistently. They don't communicate with their shareholders all the time. Are you kidding me? All you have to do is look at Nvidia. All you have to do is look at Nvidia, and there was, I think they dropped like 7 PRs in one day. I'm not even kidding. And this OTC company, by the way, it's Eyeless stock is a penny stock. I know it's penny stock exempt, but it's still in the OTC. If anything, we should hold them to a higher standard because of that. not a lower one. Look at that. Look, you see, I pressed on press releases and look at that. Look at that. 7 days ago, 8, 12. Look at this, 23. Woo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did they really drop 7 PRs in one day? That's insane. And you mean to tell me that hey, no, we're not gonna drop PRs because we don't want to please we don't want to please traders who can adapt anyways. So ultimately, it really did sound like a load of baloney, and especially with the OTC company, they really should be trying to do. They should be trying to prove themselves. Like they're nobody right now, and that's the truth. If they were somebody, they wouldn't be a 0061, and we'd be trending to the upside because people would be just on top of the hype, and that's the truth. And I know that sucks to hear, but like you better hope they turn it around. But as of right now, in terms of swing trading, buy in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We're gonna make money again.